Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to talk about how to make money and with different side hustles. So let's start the quick. It will be quick video. Going to talk about some main side hustles to make the money. Uh, Please stay until the end because this is going to be very interesting and the last fews are very easy. You already have the products, you just sell online and then you make money and it is recurring money. So like the sky is the limit. And like some incomes you have to run and you have to go around, but some income you just make money just doing from home. So let's just get started. Yeah. So first one is the AI art commission. So as we know, the AI is now number one a part of our life, and we know that we use it in day-to-day life. So why not to make money, right? So first thing is that using some online websites, you can create the AI images and then you can sell it online, like 5RR or Upwork, and that thing makes you lots of money because it depends on like if your images are good and you get some corporate customer, you can just make tons of money because they just buy these images they can use in their products and then that's it. You save their time, they pay you money, and deal is done. So yeah, there is a person called Sandeep in India, Sandeep Maheshwari. So he is one of the guys, like he's in in this business. He started through modeling photos of people who wanted to become actor and actress, but then today like it has moved. He has moved beyond this advance, but uh, like he makes billions of local currency in terms of local currency and I would say it's a multi-millionaire or maybe multi-billionaire there. So this is doable product. So what you have to do is like you go to either Meet Journey or Dell or those kind of websites and then you create stunning images. Some images I have showing in this right now on the screen. So you can see that these images are really stunning images, and then these images can be used in many places. It can be used in games, it can be used in making documentaries, movies, etc. Now, some images are sci-fi images, as you can see, but if you make something realistic image, then they get sold pretty at high price, right? For example, I can have an image I'm standing in Banff, like or Switzerland, like background and drinking coffee and or yeah, something like that. And then, uh, like without even actually going there. So that's kind of one of the example of what you can create in AI. You can create images for Minecraft, you can create images for Roblox games and many other things. And if you if you make good images, then you can sell and you can make money because then you can sell it to game creators and then they will purchase it. This is pretty big industry, like you can make money, lots of money just by working from home. So that's a big advantage of it. The next one is mystery shopper app. So this is you have to physically do something, but it's not it's just part of your routine life because like you go for shopping almost once a month or once a week, sorry, and that's very easy because you get you can do this like you go for grocery, right? And then you can take the task from field agent or gig walk. So you just sign up for with them and then they will send you what kind of work you can do it. So you can just go to store, take photos of some of the products in the shelf just to confirm they are selling it, what price they are selling, and all those couple of things from business perspective. So if you get a task, for example, let's say I get task of Home Depot and I go there, then I just for my own shopping, right? And then with my shopping, I also take this geek task and take photos, send it to them. So that way, like I buy my product and also I make some money just by going to store. So how much you can make? So like for my example, I would say like I just went to store and under 10 minutes I made $38 just by going. I already had to go, right? And I just went to go to this grocery store and then they just sent me this task and I made $38. There are five tasks I took. I just went through 5 hours. I mean, actually 2 hours and five products, and then they paid me $38. Not bad, right? So you can make this kind of money, and this is just one time I went, but and I go very less honestly. So I just went in last month. I went only 7 times to the store. I mean, and then I got this gigs from this gig walk and field agent, and I made $545, which is more than covered my entire month of grocery. So this is really cool way to make the money. You just don't have to do anything extra other than just going to store. Um, Now, next thing is the newsletter affiliate marketing. So this is very popular also. So here there are two popular websites, Substack and Coffee. And what you do have to do is like you create something you like, and then they basically uh, creates affiliations. They already have partners, so they make affiliations to your work, and then whenever from your customer goes to there, buy something, and then you get money. It's just like Amazon links putting on your website, and then somebody buys through that link the Amazon product, then Amazon pays you some money. So that's affiliate marketing, and this is again. You need to create something like really what people are want to buy. So then, in my case, I create a financial newsletter, and then I have 120 subscriber and made $50 in affiliate commission. I know the amount looks small, but as you have to understand that this amount will grow all the time a lot because I just created a newsletter once, but I will make money forever. And whenever someone goes to my newsletter, clicks on link, buy the product, I will get the money. So this is pretty doable. Now, as we move forward, I want to emphasize that stick till end of the video because the more in next few slides I will go through more and more practical scenarios and easy scenarios, or you if it's not easy, still it will you can make more and more money. So that's the idea behind this video. So please like and subscribe my channel if you like so far, or you want to know more. I only produce genuine side hustle videos. So please appreciate uh, by just click liking and subscribing to my channel. So next one is the Etsy. So Etsy is very popular as we know. So what you can do is you can buy something from garage sale or some product from on sale in your local store. Buy that product and uh, make it really nice looking or add the features to the product, and then you can just sell it in your back into Facebook Marketplace or Etsy or your local Craigslist or Kijiji, something, whatever websites is popular in your local city and state, and then you just make money, right? So because it's so easy. Yeah, some Etsy is obviously will take some cut, but if you sell it Facebook Marketplace, you just don't have to pay anything. So, and right now, as we know that Mother's Day is coming pretty soon, so as you can see in my image, there is a necklace called Mom, and that necklace is going to be very in demand because everybody buys this kind of things for on Mother's Day. When Valentine comes, you can create your products for a love-based theme, and then you can again make lots of money because obviously almost everybody buys for their partners on Valentine. So these are some simple ways you can just every few months there's some big events coming. Now the next one is Easter coming up, so bunny theme is will be very popular, right? So those kind of things you have to think that what event is coming within a month or so, and then you create a product, or even better than that, all 20 or means all year around you can make products like home decors, right? Those products get sold really good because like you can have unique table, unique coffee table, unique uh, furniture, and you can have a unique pot, indoor plant pot, and you can have so something unique for house, and then it will get sold really quickly and at high price. Like you can purchase, let's say, from grocery, you got $10 table, right? But you just do some color, paint, some repolishing, something like that, and make it and then sell it for um 50 to $100, right? That's if you that's right there, 90%, 9x profit. And that's how you work. Like I made $2,000 in just first month in Etsy. Now this is my most favorite idea because, and for you also, this is the easiest way to make money because everywhere we go to different places, we take many photos. Uh, Obviously, some photos we take our personal photos, but other photos we just take of our surrounding and like natural scenery or some place, for example, San Francisco's Golden Gate Bridge or New York's Liberty, Statue of Liberty, or Twin Towers or anything. There's a famous thing, natural scenery, natural beauty, and anything, those kind of photos in your phone. And nowadays all the latest phones have like 48 MP or 50 MP photographs, which is like you can even print it out on and make a wallpaper out of it. So those kind of high resolution good quality photos are always sitting on your phone. So why not upload to Shutterstock or Adobe Stock and then make money? Because when somebody will buy it, they just take little bit commission, but you get major portion of it, and then sky is the limit. Because for me, like just I upload a couple of photos there, and yeah, make sure that you upload only certain high quality photos which you think other will buy. The quality is very important than quantity, and if your quality is good, the people will buy it like $100. I'm getting around average $100 to $200 per photo for these stock photos, but I use the latest iPhone, so that way, like my resolution is always good, and I'm also learned some basic photography through iPhone, which is better than the normal user takes those photos. So I went to Switzerland last year, or um, I went to a mountain last year. I took some stunning photos, and those photos are being sold really high at high price because people love to have them in their house, right, as a decoration, and they are willing to pay for prints and those things, or Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. They just buy it and get it printed and laminated and photo framed it, and they use it. So, and I'm looking for corporate client, which once I get the corporate client, then I will make thousands of dollars every like for my photos. So that same thing you can do it, right? This space, sky is the limit. Uh, we all live at different place. So the God has made like billions of different places where you can take good photos, and then you can, as I say, like you can upload to these websites and you can make money very easily. So this is these are just few ways to make money. Now, next one is the voiceover gig. So this is very popular nowadays because, for example, like right now, many popular uh, film producers just need this. They need voiceover for their work. So, for example, I don't know, let's say I don't know Espanol. So what I would do is I will hire somebody who knows that language, and I pay them to translate my this, for example, this video into Spanish language, and then that way I can run the Spanish channel in parallel, and like I pay them. So same thing, so many work there in 5 hour and Upwork. You just take that work, you put your voice over for that, and then you can see on my screen you can make money. Like for short ad you can make 25 to $100 plus. Audiobook you make 50 to $200 per hour. Explainer video you make 50 to $300 per hour. um, Pretty doable all this thing, and the YouTube narration is 20 to $150 per hour. So lots of money you can make. Just you have to find the work, and I put already put two most famous websites. So go ahead and please do whatever gig work. You can do it and make the money. All the best. Please like and subscribe my channel so I can keep making more and more videos like this. Again, thank you very much. Have a nice day.